해봐. The other one. One more time. The other one. Good boy. Hey guys, so I got a lot of questions about how I train my cats for my videos. And actually the secret is I only taught them a paw trick and the rest are just something I made them get used to, so I didn't really train them. But I will explain those too if you want to try some of those with your cats. So here's how I taught them a paw trick. It's nothing complicated, I just did this every time I fed them. First grab their paw and let them get used to me doing that. Then once they get used to it, they will lift up their paw at some point, and then grab it and then feed them immediately. If you have more than 2 cats, having one watch the other one do it seems to help him understand what's going on. Okay, can I have this paw? Thank you. Can I have the other one too? Thank you. Pokey, can you give me a paw? Oh, thank you. Can I have the other one? Yes. Thank you. Can I have a paw? Thank you. Can I have the other one? Yes. Boy. Cats are really curious, and especially living inside the house, they don't have much entertainment aside from what you give them. So anything new in the house is exciting and interesting for them, and they just want to smell it and engage with it. So if you engage your kitties with your cooking by letting them smell the ingredients, then it's entertaining for them to watch what's going on. Once they memorize the ingredient, they either lose interest or go crazy for it. Since my cats like watching outside, we got them a cage so they could go outside safely. Over time they got comfortable and started trying to explore outside the cage. So then I started taking them out for walks. They were kind of nervous first, but they eventually got used to it. There's a doggy. Oh, oh. Oh, there's a doggy coming. Okay. 怖くないの？またね。すみません。いえいえ。I guess you're not really scared of doggies, huh? Haku, what are you doing? Ah, come on. Who do you think is gonna clean your body? What's up? Is that catnip or something? Of course you have to sneeze. You okay, buddy? When Kohaku got used to that, I put him in the basket of my bike. He's pretty laid back for a cat, so he didn't really mind. And now he enjoys being in the basket and going for bike rides with me. Of course, all cats have different personalities, and some may not ever be comfortable going outside. Our cat Pokey gets really stressed out by car rides, so I don't take him with me. Some cats also startle easily and may run off if they suddenly get scared. It is important to pay attention to how your cat is acting and not push him to do something he doesn't want to do. Even if your cat doesn't like going for walks or watching you cook, he probably has personality quirks that make him unique in other ways. Nagi likes to play fetch with plastic rubbers. Bring it back. Come here. Pokey is just Pokey. Try playing with your cat in different ways, and you might find something unique that he or she enjoys. Thank you for watching. Pokey, 예봐. Okay. Okay, you really want food.